Okay, so we said we're going to have to look at changing the rubbers on the valve and the easiest way to do it. So here's the S30 valve. We've got one rubber that was going to go around here and one at the bottom. So I'm going to show the bottom one first because that's the easiest. All we do is take the bottom rubber. I've just put a little bit of spit on it and I'm just going to push it on the end here. Like so. I'm just working it round just to get it started, to get it over that first lip, and then we're going to push it down. And all I've done is pushed it down with my fingers. So that one's now on. The second one, which is the pressure release rubber, a little bit more complicated. I'm going to try and get it there. I'm going to get myself a little flat screwdriver, and you can see now we've actually got it started. So once we've got it started, it's actually quite easy, and we're just going to work it down using the screwdriver into position and just moving it down the valve like so. I think the thing that also to remember is when you're going to get your screwdriver in, make sure you go on the flat. They're two flats, because the one thing we don't want to do is we don't want to pierce the rubber at all, which would obviously then mean that we hadn't got a good seal. So we're just working it down like so. And we're just going to use our nail to just get it absolutely to make sure it's covering all the bits. We've got the bottom rubber here, which you can see in place. So the bottom rubber's going in there. And as you will have worked out, your cap is now going there. The collar and then the nut goes like so. So your cap is the fingers. So I hope that's a help to you. Oh, if you want to take out the O-ring, there's an O-ring in the top. All we do is get a needle and just whip it out from there. And then the insert, which is in the top, will just drop out. We can then put the O-ring, the black O-ring, back into position. Thanks.